Okay, so guys, welcome to my live stream. Welcome to my live stream. I am analyzing gbpjpy for you here today. I'm analyzing gbpjpy. So I'm on a trade on gbpjpy. I've been on this trade for a while now. I've been on this trade for a while. So yesterday was Sunday. So the market opened Sunday. So while the market opened on Sunday, it opened with a gap. So I placed my order. There was an order because I dropped some analysis that was Thursday or Friday. I dropped some analysis on gbpjpy wanting to buy gbpjpy. So I dropped the analysis and I put in my pending orders. I put in my pending orders on my trade phones here. I put in my pending order. So what happened is that the market opened with a kind of like a gap, and because the market opened with a gap, it gap my entry. So my entries at a particular point. So when it opened with the gap, it just like move above below my entry. So it didn't pick my order, but it was still at my zone, and I wanted going in again. But what happened is that because the price the let's say the spread at that particular moment, because it was around 10 o'clock, the market opened 10 o'clock Ghana time. So I'm in Ghana, so Ghana time, that's we are using the same time with London, just kind of like 1 hour ahead or something. So the market opened with a gap. So the gap and the spread and all of that. So I couldn't enter. I have to wait. I couldn't enter, and I entered on one account on that particular zone because I just have to enter on one account, and the account is my 5K from Quant Tekel. For my personal account, because of the spread is too wide, I didn't open on my personal account. So this is the I don't know if you see it. Let's do it this way. Okay, I guess you can see it. So this is the one I open on my Quantstacker. So you can see it here. This is the one I opened. So let me not close the trade. So this is the one I opened. There is some, so it picked me up and it's running right now to my prediction. And what's happening is that for the rest of my accounts, I have more accounts here. For the rest of my account, like my live account and all of my accounts, I didn't open any trade because I just opened for the Quantacare alone for it to run. Then I'll wait again for it to come, because normally GJ, what I've observed is that on Monday, GJ can just tap in your zone and keep going. Then later Tuesday to still come back to your zone, give you, a kind of like a confirmation again for your re-entry. But what happened is that if the spread was okay, if the spread was fine, I could have entered that particular trade because I have been waiting for this trade. I've been waiting for this trade. If I should go on my chart now, you see, like I've been waiting for this trade. Not, it has been a while. So that's why I just entered. So I'll share my screen with you and let's go on GBP so that I can show to you there. I'll show it to you on your connection is unstable. Please wait while I will try to reconnect. Who's calling? So I want to share my screen with you now, and my connection is being disturbed by some. So I'm going to share my entire screen with you, and I'm going to share my audio also. I believe you can see my screen now. So this is GBP JPY. So you can see here, I've been waiting for this trade. If I should go on my stuff, my screenshots, you see it there. I've been waiting for this GJ. It's not, it has been a while, not this moment. Like I've been waiting for a while now. So if this screenshot should open, you see my setup there. You see my setup on this particular screenshot. So I want it to open so that you can see it here. And I'm still waiting for another entry because I know I'll still get entry on GJ. I know I'll get it, but on my live account. My live account, I don't want to use it. So you can see I've been waiting for that particular point. You see that I've been monitoring it from this, right from this zone. So I've been monitoring it, and it's coming to that particular zone, and this is what happened at night. It gapped. So you can see the gap here, the price gap here to this particular entry point. So because of the spread was very much that time, the spread was very much, so I couldn't enter. I just entered for one here, and now it keeps going. So you can see this is this is the position, this is the place. If you see my previous analysis, if you should follow up my previous analysis, we are to buy at that particular point, at this particular point I was telling you, and I bought here, it didn't hold. So immediately it didn't hold here, I know the price is coming right here, because if it comes here, a plus. So a plus. So I'm targeting this high, even this high, I'm targeting that high. So I'm not scared, and I will not rush in. I will not panic. I'll wait patiently for this particular trade, because I know I'm not going to miss this trade. Yes, I know I'm not going to miss this particular trade. I know I'm going to enter, and if I should miss, I know there's going to be a better trade for me. So this is another zone which I'm waiting for. This is the next zone which I'm waiting for. So after the exchange of character, we can call here the change of character, but I'm using that inner zone. So this is the change of character. I'm using the inner zone. I'm using here as my change of character to say this particular zone. I'm using there as my change of character. That's why I'm using my Fibonacci. So that's the reason why I come to get my zones there. That particular place you can see. Those are the main reason I'm getting my zone there. So that particular zone, if I just get a tap in that zone now, I'm buying again to the upside. So that's the opportunity I want to take. So I have my orders set already. All I just need do now is wait. That's all I need do. All I need do now is wait. So one is running, and all I need do is wait for the other. Tuesday, mostly GJ will pull back. Maybe Tuesday it can go, and it might keep going. So if you pull back to here, then I will buy from here. So today is Monday, Monday, end of Monday. So this is the end of Monday, Tuesday from here. So this is what I'm waiting for. This is what I'm waiting for, to buy to the upside. So whichever way it goes, I'm waiting. I'm not going to panic. I'm going to wait patiently for this particular entry. This particular entry. So I'm going to wait. And I have my orders already. So if you are following up and you want to put in some order, you can put in some order at this particular zone, this level, any of this level, 211. Just you can put your order 211,021. You can put your order 211,021, because that's where my order is for order of my account. So for this account, I'm in profit already, but for order of my accounts, I didn't enter, so I'm waiting for those accounts so I could enter. This one is a 100K account from FTMO. Then I have some 5K also. My order is there. If you can see, it's clear. My orders have been placed on all of my accounts. So this is what I'm waiting for. So I just hope it goes to our way. I hope it goes to our way. So this is what I have to, share with you. This is what I have to share with you. So if you are following up, you just have to, draw your lines, draw your zones, and wait. You draw your lines and draw your zones and wait. So you can use this zone. I can use this zone, this change of character, but I'm looking for a lower price point. You understand? I'm looking for a lower price point that I can buy. So this particular point is where I'm, more focused on. I'm not focused on these zones. I'm more focused on these levels, the levels which you see me draw. These levels, this is where I'm interested at. So let's wait and see how it goes. But my orders are there already. That's just all I have to say. My orders are there. So, and I trade BPJPY and XAUSD. Maybe if you are joining me for the first time, GBPJPY, XAUSD, those are the most two pairs I trade. So let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Whichever way it goes, I'll come back and update you how it goes. So you can see my limits here. GBPJPY placed on the 5K account. That's the first 5K account. This 5K account, I have the trade running on this 5K account already. I have the trade running on this 5K account already. And this other 5K account, no, this is a personal account. This is a live account. I have it on this live account. I have my orders also on this live account already. So I'm waiting. It's all placed. My orders are all placed now. I'm just waiting for it to tap in, then we'll move from there. So that's what it is. And I'll see you in my next stream. I'll stream again to give you the update of what the result is, and stay safe. Peace.